Hi, in this video we are going to uninstall unwanted themes and unwanted plugins. You can simply click install plugins from the menu and see which plugins you do not want. I don't think we need any of these, so let's try deactivating. You can deactivate one by one like that, or you can select all, do the bulk action, deactivate, apply, it will do that. Same. Now if you want to delete, select all, click delete, select delete and apply. It will remove one by one, just a confirmation message, and all of these plugins are gone that we don't need. Why I'm doing that? For us to have a basic WordPress installation to go through. Same goes for the theme. For example, this theme we don't want. We need to, for example, this theme we don't want, there will be a delete button. Since this theme is active, we cannot delete it. You have to have an other active theme. For example, let's have this theme activated. Then you will see here delete confirmation message. Okay, same goes for the others and the others. That is how you remove WordPress themes or plugins. Now this page looked like this. We are going to refresh it. What we get is a nothing, a blank page, but the data is there. If you click book, it will show you the form short code. If you click home, there is nothing. Sample page, yes, that is there. Services, you cannot see anything because it is not showing anything. So let's go back to our installation. For now, this will be all how you deactivate themes and deactivate plugins. Thank you for watching.